The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. It is also considered the largest animal ever to exist. Blue whales inhabit oceans across the globe. They are marine mammals known for their enormous size. A blue whale's weight can equal that of 30 elephants. Their sheer size makes them a unique species. The Megalodon was a terrifying prehistoric shark that dominated ancient oceans. It was characterized by its massive size and formidable predatory capabilities. The Megalodon possessed incredibly powerful jaws, lined with massive teeth. Its bite force was strong enough to crush a car, making it a dominant predator. The question: who would win in a fight between a blue whale and a Megalodon? Recent research has significantly altered our understanding of both creatures. These new findings challenge long-held assumptions about their capabilities. This comparison explores the strengths and weaknesses of each marine giant. Ultimately, we aim to determine a likely outcome based on current evidence. Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth, reaching up to 100 feet in length. They can weigh over 200 tons, equivalent to the weight of roughly 33 elephants. The heart of a blue whale is enormous, weighing around 400 pounds. Its tongue can weigh as much as an elephant and is about 15 feet long. Blue whales are the largest animals, displacing vast amounts of water as they swim. Their massive bodies generate powerful currents while moving through the ocean. These currents significantly impact the distribution of nutrients in the water column. The whale's movement can stir up sediment, releasing nutrients from the seabed. This redistribution of nutrients benefits smaller marine organisms like plankton. The currents also influence the movement and behavior of other marine life. Blue whales primarily feed on krill, small shrimp-like crustaceans. Krill are a fundamental food source for these massive marine mammals. Blue whales consume enormous quantities of krill daily to sustain their size. The daily krill intake is essential for the whale's energy requirements. This diet highlights the blue whale's role in the marine ecosystem. Blue whales use a unique feeding technique to consume large quantities of small prey. They primarily target dense swarms of krill, tiny crustaceans abundant in ocean waters. The whale accelerates towards the krill swarm with its mouth wide open in a behavior called lunging. After engulfing a massive amount of water and krill, the whale closes its mouth. It then filters the water out through baleen plates, retaining the krill for consumption. The Megalodon, meaning big tooth, was a massive prehistoric shark. It dominated the world's oceans for over 20 million years. Its immense size and powerful jaws made it a formidable predator. Fossil evidence suggests it preyed on large marine mammals. The Megalodon's reign ended during the Pliocene epoch. Megalodon was a significantly larger shark compared to the great white. Megalodons reached lengths of 50 to 70 feet. Great white sharks typically reach lengths of up to 20 feet. This size difference highlights the Megalodon's dominance. Megalodon's size made it a formidable prehistoric predator. Megalodon possessed an immense bite force, estimated to be capable of crushing a car. This bite force is significantly greater than that of many other large predators. The bite force of a T-Rex is powerful, but not as strong as the Megalodon's. A lion's bite force is considerably weaker compared to both the Megalodon and T-Rex. Megalodon's bite was an apex adaptation for preying on large marine animals. The sheer force highlights its dominance in the prehistoric ocean environment. Scientists discovered Megalodon teeth marks on ancient whale bones. This suggests Megalodons actively preyed on large whale species. The size and depth of the marks indicate powerful bites. Megalodons likely targeted whales for their high caloric content. This confirms Megalodon as a dominant marine predator. Megalodon teeth were massive, often exceeding 7 inches in slant height. Their large size indicates the immense bite force of the Megalodon. The teeth featured serrated edges, aiding in tearing through prey. These serrations enhanced the shark's ability to grip and slice flesh. Megalodon possessed a conveyor belt system for tooth replacement. Initially, Megalodon was assumed to easily defeat a blue whale. This assumption was based on Megalodon's apex predator status. Megalodon was considered the ocean's ultimate hunter. Its size and bite force were key factors in this perception. However, this view simplifies the dynamics between these creatures. A direct confrontation isn't guaranteed, despite size differences. Blue whales can achieve surprising speeds in the ocean. They can reach speeds up to 35 miles per hour. This speed is faster than that of some extinct predators. Megalodon, an extinct shark, was slower than the blue whale. Megalodon's estimated speed was less than 35 miles per hour. Blue whales are surprisingly fast marine animals. Blue whales are marine mammals known for their impressive diving capabilities. They can descend to depths exceeding 1,600 feet in the ocean. This allows them to access food sources at various levels. Blue whales are capable of holding their breath for extended periods. They can remain submerged for up to 90 minutes on a single breath. This adaptation is crucial for efficient deep-sea foraging. Blue whales, despite their immense size, exhibit remarkable maneuverability in the ocean. Their streamlined body shape aids in efficient movement through the water. Powerful tail flukes propel them with surprising agility and speed. Blue whales are capable of making sharp turns and changes in direction. They can even breach completely out of the water, showcasing their strength. This maneuverability is crucial for feeding, communication, and predator avoidance. Blue whales exhibit notable intelligence through complex communication methods. They utilize a variety of vocalizations to communicate across vast distances. Different populations of blue whales have unique vocal dialects. These dialects are learned and passed down through generations. Blue whales also possess remarkable memory for migration routes. This comparison highlights the cognitive differences between Megalodon and blue whales. Megalodon's brain size is estimated to be around the size of a coconut. In contrast, a blue whale's brain weighs approximately 20 pounds. The significant size difference suggests variations in cognitive abilities. Blue whales likely possess more complex cognitive functions. Brain size is an indicator, but not the sole determinant of intelligence. Scientists use simulations to predict outcomes of animal confrontations. These simulations model interactions in the ocean environment. The goal is to understand potential dominance or survival. Simulations consider factors like size and behavior. Results help predict the likely winner in a fight. This aids in understanding marine ecosystem dynamics. In a confrontation, Megalodon's initial bite would give it a significant advantage. Megalodon's bite force was immense, capable of inflicting massive trauma. Blue whales can use their powerful tail flukes defensively. A blue whale's tail could deliver concussive blows to deter or injure a predator. A blue whale's tail strike generates immense force in the ocean environment. The force is comparable to being struck by a large truck at high speed. This powerful strike can stun or severely injure large marine animals. Hypothetically, such a strike could pose a threat to a megalodon. The impact could potentially incapacitate or even kill a megalodon. Megalodon extinction was influenced by climate change. Changing ocean conditions played a significant role. Megalodons struggled to adapt to new ocean temperatures. Shifting sea levels impacted megalodon habitats. Prey availability changes contributed to its demise. Megalodon couldn't sustain itself with altered food sources. Blue whales exhibit remarkable adaptability, allowing them to thrive in diverse ocean environments. Their ability to adjust to varying temperatures and depths is crucial for survival. Migration patterns allow them to find optimal feeding and breeding grounds. This adaptability is vital for enduring changing ocean conditions and long-term survival. In a direct fight, the outcome between species is uncertain. However, blue whales exhibit greater evolutionary success. This advantage stems from their intelligence. Blue whales also possess a high degree of adaptability. These traits enhance survival across changing environments. Intelligence and adaptability are key to long-term species success. Blue whales face numerous modern threats impacting their survival. Cargo ships pose a significant threat due to collisions. Entanglement in fishing nets is another major cause of mortality. Ocean pollution contaminates their habitat and food sources. Climate change affects krill populations, their primary food. These combined threats raise concerns about their long-term survival.